Firstly, the production line begins with a raw material preparation section, which includes equipment for crushing, grinding, and pre-treating the animal byproducts. These processes are crucial for breaking down the materials into smaller particles, enhancing their surface area for optimal fat extraction. The next stage involves cooking and rendering equipment. Following this, the crude oil undergoes filtration and clarification using specialized centrifuges and filters. These devices remove impurities, water, and solid residues, ensuring the oil meets the required purity standards. Additionally, the production line features dehydration and deodorization units to maintain product quality and safety. The line incorporates automated monitoring and control systems. Sensors and PLCs, programmable logic controllers, regulate temperature, pressure, and flow rates throughout the process, minimizing human error and maximizing consistency. Finally, the refined oil is cooled, packaged. Overall, the Fox oil refining equipment production line integrates cutting-edge technology with traditional methods, offering a reliable solution for producing high-grade animal oils. Its modular design allows for scalability, making it suitable for both small-scale operations and large industrial facilities. By adopting such a system,